In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a name for your blog/website that we are going to use to name your blog. I'm going to show you the methods, how to find something unique, how to find something that matches your niche, and how to then make sure that it is not trademarked or copyrighted.
So this video is actually part of a series of the Pins to Paychecks. This is where we are creating a blog that we are going to use Pinterest for to drive traffic to do our affiliate marketing that way. This is a faceless method, so to say, because you don't have to perform on video, you don't have to create any videos. You can absolutely just do it through creative writing. In this day and age with ChatGPT and the internet the way it is, this is such a brilliant way of being able to do affiliate marketing. Even the top affiliate marketers that are not afraid to go on camera still use this method. The top guy from ClickBank, he uses this method. There are loads and loads of affiliate marketers who use this method with blogs and Pinterest. I'm sharing this series exactly for you to learn how to set it up step by step. Now, this series you can learn from the videos, but to go in depth and have my full support in this, I do have my course listed below, which is hosted in my school community. Now, what we want to do is we want to create a name for our business, for our blog, that we're going to use to promote our affiliate links on Pinterest. Pinterest asks you when you're going to set up your business account on Pinterest, it asks you for a business name. So we want a business name and we want to eventually have a website. So let's get into this. I'm going to use ChatGPT to find out what business names are available, what's trendy, what's catchy, and what I can use for my blog. All right, so let's go over to ChatGPT. I'm going to type in here, I want to create a blog about nails, and please suggest catchy and unique. Please suggest catchy and unique names, business names, and blog names. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, chic and stylish, polish and poise, gloss boss, Manny Muse, Lacquer Lounge, cute and playful, tippy taps and polish. Ooh, you can see so much potential here. Tippy taps and polish. You can do some ASMR videos in there. The polish and poise. I can see you having articles that is related to luxury vibe around that. You can integrate other things in there. Trendy and bold. The nail edit. Glass files. This is very interesting. 10 little masterpieces. Tipsy nails. File it away. Oh, this is so cute. If you want to feel like more than just a blog, you can go and do brand, products, or YouTube channel. Go for names like the Nail Edit or the Gloss Boss. Short, catchy, and brandable. Would you like me to also check available domain names and Instagram handles? Yes. So let's say yes. Please do that. I really like that one. Polish and poise. Okay, now let's take polish and poise just to make sure nobody else is using this name. Copy it and paste it in to a new window and see what comes up when you type it in. Oh, you see, here's already somebody with the same name. Not quite spelled the same, the website, and it's cleaning services. Okay, so nothing with nails. There's already a Pinterest with that name. Okay, this name has definitely been used quite a bit before. Let's choose something else. Okay, let's go back to, let's try Gloss Boss. Let's type that one into Google. So this is a bit of the background research that you're going to have to do for this kind of stuff. Boss of Gloss, Gloss Boss, Aura. Okay, so this is a lip gloss. Yeah, okay, Boss of Gloss. So there's variations of this. Instagram name is already taken. Did ChatGPT suggest this as an Instagram name as well? Names availability action table. Okay. So see how this is why it's available, because it's spelled differently, this domain. The nail edit. Let's have a look at the nail edit. So this type of work can take a little bit of time, but it's very important. This was also taken already. Let's see. Nails are obviously very popular. Clothing store with perfectly polished. Okay, so this one doesn't seem like there's anything related to nails right now. Award-winning nail salon. Okay, .uk. So you see why it's a little bit important to do some bit of research here to get your name, but do this. It's well worth your time to do it. So we can also use a domain name. There's something like a business name generator. unique business name idea. Here, unique business name generator. So let's say we got something we want to do in nails. What is it going to give us? Nearby nails, here we go. Tip top talent, nailed palette beauty, chic and sleek nails, trending nail craft, glamour nails lab, sparkle and slay nails, embellish. To use more, you have to do something else. Beyond the nail. I like that. Let's see. Beyond the nail. Let's type in beyond the nail. As you can see, there's once again a lot of names, places with names like that. Let me put it this way. I haven't had this problem before of looking up a name and there being so many of it already taken. So I actually asked ChatGPT, what is the solution to this if you're looking for a name and it's already been used? So this is what ChatGPT actually answered me. So solutions when your name is already taken. Add a twist. Make it the Gloss Boss or Gloss Boss Nails, Gloss Boss Studio. You can play with the extensions, making it .co, .com if .com is already taken, .art, .blog, .nails. You can do anything like that. Or you can add your own personality, like for instance, add your own name in front of it, Liesel's Gloss Boss or Dutch Gloss Boss with a location twist. Or create wordplay. Check trademarks. So one thing that is really important is the trademark thing. If it is trademark, don't use it. So you can look up trademarks if you just type in on Google trademark lookup, and you'll find what's trademarked and stuff. And don't use those, obviously, because that can cause troubles. Okay, so that's long enough for this video. So now we have a name to put in on Pinterest. We have got product we're going to promote. So let's go for it. So that was just one part of how to set up your blog for Pinterest and how to really get down to the nitty-gritty right in the first stages before even starting your blog. So follow, like, and subscribe for the next video in this series, which is going to actually help you with the next steps of promoting a blog via Pinterest to do affiliate marketing. Hope to see you there.